Hello techies, I hope you are doing well. So in this series of HTML tutorial, today in this video we are going to learn about HTML attribute. So what is an attribute? We will see in detail throughout this video. So let's start. First of all, open your Visual Studio Code where we will see with examples for better understanding of an attribute. So in the previous lecture we have seen the basics of HTML, basically about the HTML starter template. So I'm taking an example of an attribute. So this is an anchor tag. For anchor tag, we use anchor tag to denote a link of any website, of any web page. So in this anchor tag there is an attribute called href. Basically href is used to insert a link of a website. For example, I am going to insert the link of a Google page. So this is the link of Google page, and here I am going to insert Google. Okay, so run this code and see what is the output. See here it is the link to the Google website. You can see here, if you will click on this, then you will redirect to the Google page. So this is basically what is the href. Href is the attribute of this anchor tag. So I hope you are getting my point. So this is an example of the attribute. Let's take another example, that is img tag. Img tag is used to insert an image to the web page. So this src is an attribute here. Basically it is denoting the link of that image, that URL of that image. So I have an image file, so I want to use that. So I'm going to the path where I have kept an image. Wait for a minute. So this is the image that I want to use in my web page. So I am copy as path here and just want to insert here that path. Okay, and see, another example of the attribute is alt attribute. Okay, so alt attribute is basically used to denote the image's name. Okay, if the image is missed on that web page, so that alt attribute showing you that this type of image was there on that page. So I am writing here that Linux, because this image is related to Linux, that's why I am using this Linux tag in this alt attribute. Let's see what is the output. See here, the image is missing here, but the alt attribute is showing that yes, here is an image file of related to Linux. So I hope you are getting this point. Okay, so why image is not showing here? Because uh, this is the wrong path, I think. Okay, so where the folder it is, this folder is here, project folder. Okay, so you need to keep that image in this folder. So simply copy this image and keep that image in this folder. Okay, now copy this, copy the path from here and insert that path here. Now see what is the output. Again showing the error. So remove this and simply keep as it is. Okay, I think this is not a right way to insert a path of that image. Okay, desktop project and v1.png. If I remove this from here and again, okay, see that image is showing here. Why that path was not working? Because you have kept this image in that folder, and that folder is connected here. Okay, so you don't need to put all the path or the exact part of that image. You just need to insert here the name of that image. So I think you are getting my point. Now you can see the image is here. See, let's take another example of an attribute. Like if you want to set the height and width of this image file, you can do as well as. So this height and width is also known as attribute. Okay, this src attribute, what is denoting here? This is denoting the link of that image, the path of that image, and this height is denoting the height of that image, and this width is denoting the width of that image. So I want to set like 250, and this, the height is 300. See, the changes has been made here to this image. So you can set the height and the width of that image according to your need. So I hope you got my point. Okay, so I think these examples are enough to understand about the HTML attribute. Basically, attribute provide you the additional information of an HTML element. Okay, so this is basically anchor tag is what? Anchor tag is an element of an HTML. This image tag is an element of that HTML. Okay, and this href is the example of attribute. This src is attribute. This alt is attribute. Height and width are attributes. Okay, so I hope you understand my points, what I want to teach you. So I hope these examples are enough to understand about the HTML attribute. So let's see another thing. I think this is enough today. So let's meet in a next session, next video. Okay, thank you for watching.